Hello guys, good morning, and today's vlog I want to share with you all our pets and to show you how we managed to in-house them or to put them in a small room because we actually rented only a studio. Okay, so as you can see at the back, that is our entrance, and in that corner is the kitchen. Okay, and then this is the entrance for the room. So as you can see from here, okay, I'll show you. As you can see, this is the so this is the entrance. Okay, and this is the kitchen, and here this is the bunk bed, my daughter's bed. She climbed up there, and then down is the study table, and if you can see from here, this is our this is our bed, my husband and I. This is our bed. Okay, and first in this side, I'll show you. In this side, this is our, we have what do you call this, a guinea pig and my bird. So my guinea pig is here. This is his house. Let me show you. As you can see, this is my guinea pig. So here he is, my guinea pig. No, that's my guinea pig. And this is his small house, and actually I'm using newspaper, so it will soak his pee. See, this is the newspaper I'm using, and then I'm also put a little of hay, so he has access of food. Normally he eats hay, pellets, and some fresh cuts, vegetables, and fruits. But I don't put this one here inside the cage. Like if I'm going to feed my guinea pig, after 30 minutes I should remove the fruits and this veggies, so he won't overeating. So I can give it again later for late afternoon. And this is here on the top is the guinea pig, okay, and down is my cockatiel bird. Okay, so this is the one. He's eating right now actually. Hi, this is my cockatiel bird. So this is all his toys. She climbs here, toys. When he do perch, this is the one he's using, and those he also use these wheels actually also sometimes. Actually, these wheels actually is from my hamster that my husband has removed it, because my hamster has 3 of this. Each of the floor has 1 of that. So my husband removed it and give to my bird. So actually he's eating right now. So the reason, you must be wondering why I have put the big one on the top and the small cage on the bottom. The reason is that mainly is because this one, it has the open on the top. So it's become very difficult for me if I put this big cage down. So every time I have to remove the small cage then, if I need to open this, because the opening is on the top. And this one, opening for this is in the front, so this will be no problem. Anyway, these are the 2 pets we have, and I'll show you more. And then, if you turn around here, this is my daughter's bed. Underneath, there will be a space. So we put 1 single table there, and this is the study area for my daughter at the moment, which I'm using also. Sometimes she uses, sometimes I use. And here in this side of this table, it has we have here what we call this, turtle, and it is a land turtle. There are two types of turtle. It's a land and water, it seems. So what we got is the land one. So hello, hi. So this is my turtle. Actually, I'm gonna feed him now after her. She's a girl, so her name is Olive. So it is actually a newborn turtle. So once in a while, I put her on the floor so she has some space to move around. And then by the time, later after 2 hours, I put her back. So as you can see, she is moving. She is moving. As you can see, she is moving. Now, so this is the time that I have to feed her because she's active. And in this corner next to my single table, it has this is the cage of my hamster. So this is the first floor, this is the second floor, and this is the first floor, second floor, and third floor. And what is funny is that in the third floor, that's where my hamster eats. The second floor, that's where he sleeps. That's where he sleeps. And then first floor, that's where let's see, that's his toilet. He pooped in that first floor. So as you can see, first, second, and third, that's where you can get food. On the third place, it's cuts of carrots and some pellets. And then we're heading now in a balcony, what do you call this, door. As you can see, I have here a new plants actually. This is a bamboo plant, and the other one is a money plant. Somebody has give this to me. Somebody has give this, and I'm just waiting for the roots to come out so I could repot this I could transfer this in a pot. Okay, so our TV, and I have a small garden in my balcony. As you can see, let me show you. So this is my balcony. On winter, I have lots of plants here, but on summer, because it's really hot, so some are dying. So this is the remaining. So this is actually all the leftover from winter. This is the ladyfingers. This is the ladyfinger or okra. And this one, green one here, this is green chili. And this is tulsi. And that one is the tomato at the corner. It is the tomato. And now, next to our bedside, on our bedside, there is a aquarium. We have fish here. As you can see, we have some fish here. The fish here is the guppies. What do you call this? Fighting fish, and other fishes. I just don't know what other name of these fishes. So this is how it looks like. So overall, this is our bed next to our aquarium. This is my daughter's bed, a bunk bed, my hamster, and my other pets there. In total pets we have in this house, we have total of 5 pets: guinea pig, cockatiel bird, turtle, and hamster, and our fish. We have some fishes in the aquarium, so yes. So that's a lot for the small space, but it's still manageable. So it's not an issue at all. So as you can see, my guinea pig is standing and trying to reach his food here. No, you won't get it. Hello. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I see you to my next one. Bye.